Good morning, my dear students. So now in today's class we are going to start the reading of the unit number 4, the half-built house. So first exercise, we have a warm-up exercise. So solve these puzzles. 3 men were in a boat. It capsized, but only 2 got their hair wet. Why? What kind of tree do you always carry with you? Mary's father has 5 daughters: Nana, Nini, Ninni, No. So what is the 5th daughter's name? So in the first one, so 3 men will be going. So only 2 got their hair wet. So what about others? You have to find out. And second one, what kind of tree do you always carry with you? And third one is, so Mary's father have 5 daughters. They have given 4 daughters' name. You have to find out the 5th daughter's name. So you have to write here only in the pencil. Okay. So we'll be starting with the reading now. The Chitnis children were enjoying their summer holidays with their grandmother. Alpana Chitnis' grandmother's farm was an exciting place for Atharva and Neha and their cousins, Disha, Dhruv and Dev. So who are the 3 cousins? Disha, Dhruv and Dev. The children always had plenty to do outdoors. Climb trees, go swimming, fly kites or play football in the open meadow, and sometimes even manage to have an adventure. Let's go and explore the bamboo grove after tea today. It will be nice and cool in the evening, said Atharva, who was 11 years old. He was the oldest, so he decided what everyone would do. Dev, the youngest, was just 8, but he always said, I can look after myself. The children got on to their bicycles. Be careful there, children, said Grandma. Yes, Grandma, we will be careful. We promise, said Atharva. It was 5 o'clock in the evening on the way to Bamboo Grove. They noticed a house that was only half built. What's a nice place to play hide and seek, said Disha, who was almost the same age as Atharva. Let's play here, not go to the Bamboo Grove. But what if we see mad dogs there? Asked Neha jokingly. Then only Disha and I will go in first. We will see if it is safe to play there, said Atharva. Neha, Dhruv and Dev were eager for an adventure. They waited at a distance for the 2 older children to give the sign that all was fine. Minutes passed. The 3 waiting outside were getting impatient. They decided to go and find out for themselves and what was happening. Just then Atharva and Disha came running back. Quick, let's get back to Grandma's house at once, said Atharva. We must tell Dad right away what we saw, said Disha. And what did you see? Asked Dev, curious to know what had happened in the half-built house. When the children reached Grandma's house, they were surprised to find Disha's father, Inspector Chitnis, already there. Dad, said Disha excitedly. You will never guess what we discovered. Do you remember those pictures of the 3 wanted criminals that we had seen in your office? Those 3 men are here. They are in that half-built house. Atharva and I saw the men in the back room. Yes, those men almost saw us, but we hid behind two empty drums, said Atharva, and one man said to the others, "Oh, it's just a cat somewhere." The two children laughed, but that was dangerous. "Children," Grandma cried out in alarm. "Oh, Grandma, but they had an adventure," said Dave. "We had a feeling that those crooks were somewhere around here," said Dad. "That's why I drove down to the farm. I must call headquarters and ask them to send a patrol team at once." "You did the right thing, children. Well done." Little later, the police patrol arrived. Atharva and Disha asked if they could accompany the officers. The officers said they could go only if they promised to be obedient. The two children eagerly accompanied the policeman to the half-built house. Very quietly, the four policemen and the children approached the room. Then, quick as lightning, the police stormed into the room and got hold of the three crooks and handcuffed them. More officers arrived and the crooks were taken away. The chief officer was very pleased. "Good work, children," he said. "You were very brave," said Dad. So students, I want you to read this lesson 2 times. And also you need to find out the answers for these 3 questions, and you have to write out in your textbook only. That is in the course book. So thank you, students.